Happy Friday, everyone. Well, it's going to be a nice one in southeast Nebraska today. The question is, though, is the nice weather going to last through Memorial Day? Well, let's take a look in your holiday weekend forecast, starting with today. Now, because of yesterday's cold front, today is going to be a little bit cooler than yesterday, but not way cooler because it was a weak cold front. In fact, with highs in the low 80s, this is actually still a little bit above normal for this time of year. We should be averaging high temperatures in the upper 70s, so not way above normal, but a little bit above normal. Mostly sunny skies today, and it is going to be breezy, gusts around 20 miles per hour, but as is typical, the winds will die down some tonight. There'll still be a light breeze, winds hanging out 10 to 15 miles per hour, but not as breezy as it will be during the afternoon. Low temperatures as cool as the upper 40s, some just cooling down into the mid 50s. I think most common is going to be the low 50s, just a touch below normal. Here we should be averaging the mid 50s, but very reasonable for this time of year. Mostly clear skies, and I think it's just gonna be flat out sunny for tomorrow and about a degree or so. Very similar to today, except even fewer clouds in the sky, and also a breezy day, gusts around 20 miles per hour. Saturday night, back to a few clouds being around, mostly clear skies, light breeze, winds 10 to 15 miles per hour, and there's low temperatures going up. So some only cooling down to the low 60s, maybe a few in the low 50s, but I think mid to upper 50s will be most common. For Sunday, mostly sunny and maybe a little bit less wind than today and Saturday, gusts around 15 miles per hour. And notice our high temperatures starting to creep up, some in the low 80s, but I think mid 80s are probably going to be more common. Still no chance of rain, but Sunday night, gotta mention the chance for a few showers. And look at low temperatures. Only cooling down in the low 60s, so the humidity's starting to creep up as well. Winds still just 10 to 15 miles per hour, and I do think the rain chance Sunday night is really small. If we're going to see a few showers, it's probably going to be after midnight Sunday night. And finally, this brings us to Memorial Day. Isolated showers and storms, but I'm stressing isolated. And what I mean by isolated is that I think more are going to stay dry than see rain. There is a chance. I do think there are going to be some showers and storms, but significant gaps. So more staying dry and seeing rain, but I've got to mention the chance, especially in the afternoon. Back to breezy conditions, gusts around 25 miles per hour. It does look like Memorial Day is going to be our warmest day. We're talking about high temperatures in the mid to upper 80s.